Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video guys, I have an automation for the people who are into real estate business. So guys, if you want to sell your property and advertise your property on social media, this automation is for you. Here you can see the flow of this automation guys on my screen. Here we are using Google Sheets and we are connecting it with Facebook in such a way that as and when you add a row here, and in that row you add the details of your property along with a photo or a poster, the same photo will be posted on Facebook automatically in a page. Okay, so guys, suppose that you have a team working under you who are creating those posts for you and you don't want to provide the access of your Facebook page to them. So you can use this automation, and here they just have to add the data of the posters or the things they are creating here in a row in this spreadsheet, and the same photo will be posted on Facebook page automatically. Okay, and you don't have to manually create a post here. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So guys, now let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So guys, to set up this automation, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. And to reach here, you have to use this link, pabbly.com/connect. We have pasted this same in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on the sign up free button in just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here. And guys, from this dashboard, you have to create a workflow. For that, just click on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here as Google Sheets to Facebook automation. Okay, right. So after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. Alright, and on this page you will find these two things. First, the trigger and the action. So guys, automation is going to work on these two things only. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be adding of the data of any content that you want to post on social media in a spreadsheet that we have created in Google Sheets application, and the action towards that trigger would be to post the same content on social media like Facebook, right? So here you can see this is my spreadsheet application guys, and here any one of my team member is going to put the data like this. This is the real estate properties location, and this is the brochure or the let me show you a photo that my team member has created. This is the brochure, sample brochure I have created to advertise about my property. Okay, and he just have to add this data here like this, and as and when he's going to add this data, data going to be posted on Facebook page, right? So guys, here first of all we need to set up the trigger. So from here, select Google Sheets application as the trigger application. Okay, and here you will find the trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row. So it will triggers when a new row is added or updated. Okay, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a Webhook URL guys, and with the help of this we are going to make a connection with Google Sheets, and after that we are going to capture the response of that Webhook connection. Okay, this means we are going to fetch some data out from Google Sheets to here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you need to follow these instructions written here to make this connection. Let me show you how exactly you can do this. So guys, this is my spreadsheet. I have opened it in incognito mode. If you are using multiple Google accounts in your browser, it is better to open the spreadsheet that you want to connect in incognito mode, because sometimes it don't allow you to use multiple accounts and then make the connection. Okay, so here guys, click on extensions, and from here add-ons, click on get add-ons option, and this window will open up, which is Google Workspace Marketplace. From here you have to search for an add-on which is called Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and install this add-on here. So it will just take 2 minutes to install it. As you can see, I have already installed it, so I do not need to install it again. But once you install it, after that you have to refresh your spreadsheet. This is an important step. After installing the Pabbly Connect Webhooks add-on, refresh the spreadsheet. Alright. And after that, when you click on extensions, you will find the Pabbly Connect Webhooks option available here in the drop down. So from here guys, you will find this initial setup option. You have to click on initial setup. Alright, and here you will find these two fields, the webhook URL field and the trigger column field. So in the webhook URL field, you have to copy and paste the webhook URL that you got from your workflow, and in the trigger column field, you have to enter the last data entry column or the final data entry column that you have in your spreadsheet. So let me show you. Here you can see when I am going to start filling the data here in my spreadsheet, I am going to start with column A, then I'll enter the brochure's photo or image or whatever the content I want to post. I'm going to enter here in the B column. So B column is the trigger column, guys. This is the final data entry column. We are adding the data here finally, and as and when I'm going to add the data here in the B column, that is going to trigger the workflow. So B column is our trigger column, right? So now let me copy the webhook URL first. This is the webhook URL. Just click on copy, right? And from here, click on extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks add-on, click on initial setup. All right, and here guys, okay, let me erase this previously pasted webhook and I'm adding a new one here. And the trigger column is B only, right? And guys, here you can see in your workflow, as I have copied the webhook URL, here it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So guys, this means now we have to perform a test submission, or we have to bring some test data out from our spreadsheet to here in the workflow. Okay, so to bring the test data here, you need to go back to your spreadsheet, and here in the initial setup, you will find this send test button. So by clicking on send test, the data of the first row that you have in your spreadsheet will be delivered to your workflow as the test data. Let me show you. Here I have clicked on send test, and you can see it has written test data sent successfully. Okay, let's check in our workflow if we got the data. Alright, and in this response received section, we got the data as this. The location is Royal Park. The brochure's link that we have here in the spreadsheet, you can see, is now captured here in our workflow like this. Here it is showing the spreadsheet's name, the spreadsheet ID, and all the details related to the spreadsheet is here. Right, so guys, our connection is done, and here you have, from the initial setup, you have to click on submit. All right, and you have to do one thing more here. From extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks initial setup, click on this send on event button also. So here you can select the events on which you want to send the data. Here we have auto send on schedule. So here you can schedule the data of schedule the flow of data from your spreadsheet to workflow. And here we have send custom data option, so you can select some customized data also from your spreadsheet and you can send it. Here we have send all data option, in which you can by selecting this, by clicking on this, you can send all the data together at once from your spreadsheet to your workflow. Right now we are selecting this send on event option. So what send on event will do, when you click on send on event, what will happen, as and when you are going to add a new row here or update any row here, that is going to trigger the workflow and the data will be sent. Okay, so remember to click on send on event. Right now, coming back to the workflow here guys, now I want to post the same photo or the thing that I have in my spreadsheet on Facebook's page. For that to happen, I'm going to use the sections tab. From here, search for Facebook page. Okay, here it is, Facebook pages option, select it. In the action event, you have to select this create page photo option, create page photo. Okay, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Facebook pages, and you can see we are getting connected with Facebook. Alright, so it got connected because I have already logged in here in my Facebook page. The name of the page is Pabbly Propertio. Okay, so if you are not logged in, first it will bring you to the login window, then after that you can log in and continue. Okay, here it is asking for the page's name, so here I'm going to select this page, Pabbly Propertio, search for Pabbly, this is it. Okay, right, and here it is asking for the photo URL that you want to post and the description. So guys, I am going to use this test data that I have received from the first step from my spreadsheet, and I'm going to map it here to create a test post on Facebook. Okay, so here in the photo URL, when you click, it will show you this previous step in the drop down. So when you click on Google Sheets, it will show you all the data that you have received in the first step. So from here, I'm going to map this brochure label or the photo label in which we have the photo link. Okay, for the description, I'm going to use the first step only, and here I'm putting the location label here. Okay, so you can customize the creation of the post according to you. This is just to show you the demo of automation. All right, so by clicking on save and send test request, you can create a new post here. So now guys, by clicking on save and send test request, you can create a new test post here on this Facebook page. Okay, so this is my Facebook page, and let's click here on save and send test request. All right, so this is the response we have received. We have generated a new post ID. Let us check in our Facebook page if we got a new post or not. So I am refreshing the page now, and you can see here a new post is here. Just now it is posted. You can see the caption as Royal Park that we have entered here, Royal Park. Okay, and the photo is here like this. This is the photo, and you can see in my spreadsheet the same photo was here. Okay, so this was the same photo that got posted here on Facebook page. So our connection is working fine guys, and we are done setting up this automation. And you have to set up this automation only once. After that, as and when you are going to enter the data in your spreadsheet, this automation is going to work automatically, and a new post will be posted on your Facebook page automatically. And the good part is you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.